Hey YouTube, so just got home and stuff, and I was thinking, I don't know about the red. You see how dark my hair is right now? Would the red even take? If it's so, please answer me or comment below. I don't want to bleach it, I really don't. I'm just gonna screw it up, or something like that. Anyways, if so, what color should I dye it? Comment below. But anyways, it was stormy earlier, but it quit. So what do we want to talk about? Yeah, I know what this is. People who go back and forth on their boyfriends and girlfriends. You have one week and then you have one another week, and then you have one another week and then another week, and then it's like, please stop and pick one. Have a freaking relationship. Don't be such a hello. Saying, I don't judge, but it's kind of annoying. Like when I see on Facebook, okay, for example, my friend, like back and forth. Sorry. Ew, sorry. Like back and forth. Alright, this one. Pick, make up your mind. Please make up your mind. But anyways, do you like that? Or are you like, no, I don't judge. Excuse me. Sorry. I don't judge. But comment below, what should I dye my hair next? And, um, you know, comment or subscribe to something. Oh, I got my schedule, but Mom lost it, so I gotta find it. Okay, just wanna make this video.